Jamaican, come on. Good evening, everyone. Reporting live from northern Michigan. As you can see, there is a snowstorm, and the weatherman advised that no one come out if it's not necessary. So if you need to go to the grocery store, hey, call someone, call Uber Eats, or if you want to go to work, well, call an Uber to carry you to work, but don't go out in the storm, yeah? Look at it. It is said to snow until morning, so stay in. We are going to measure how high the storm is right now. Let's go.
Put it in behind it.
Huh?
Put it in where it's not plowed.
Right here? Is this in feet or inches?
It's inches.
Inches? Where? I see feet.
24 would be
What would
2
be?
feet. 12 is 1 foot. You see the 1F?
Where? Oh, 1F is what?
That's 1 foot.
1 foot. And so where are we now?
Right there, about 16.
16? Right here?
Yep.
Okay, that's how many? 1 foot and what?
4 inches.
4 inches. So we are 1 foot and 4 inches of snow. I'm warning you, stay inside. Do not come out. I am a reporter. I have to be out here. I'm getting paid for this. All right? I don't know how much they're paying me, but I hope they're paying me good. So, yeah, look, it's all white. It's all white people. Everything is white. All right, so that's it for the news tonight. Stay tuned as I bring you more and more about the snowstorm that's happening. And if you want to see me out and about in the street, like, share, comment, and I'll be out to show y'all what's happening right here in northern Michigan. Peace out. Yeah, all right, let me stay. What we are going to do now in a storm? How much minutes that gone?
4.
That's so short. No, sir. You want to do a reporting?
We could go out and clean the mailbox off.
Huh?
Clean the mailbox off and measure it at the road there. I bet it's over 2 foot.
Okay. Right now we're going to the mailbox. And if your mailbox is not clear, basically you won't be able to get your mail. So let's see how far the snow has reached. Will not deliver our mail if it is higher than this. Okay, what's this saying? How many feet is this?
You're at 20 inches.
20 inches of snow, y'all. You have to clean off your mailbox.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't clean the numbers off, they won't know where to deliver your packages, you know?
Yeah. Which house is it?
Yeah. There you go. So, what do you think of the snowstorm?
I don't mind it. I grew up here, so I'm all right with a lot of snow. I know how to deal with it.
So this is good for you?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. I'm used to this.
It's white everywhere, y'all. It's white. Can we make snowballs
Just doesn't.
out of this?
No.
Oh,
See, it's
can't make snowball out of
too
this.
too fluffy.
Too fluffy. This one is not tacky at all. See, we can't fight. Alright, you know what I should do? I think this calls for a perfect snow angel. You know?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna be
It's a
deep
good
in
spot.
it, right?
It's a good spot.
Alright. Wait. Let's do this. Let's do this.
All right. All right.
Okay. Should I? Should I?
Of course.
It's so deep.
Just don't lay there too long. It'll soak into your sweats.
Oh, so just do it quickly.
Quick, and then
All right.
brush your sweats off.
Let's count down.
Your body heat will melt it.
1, 2,
Snow angel time.
3. Snow angel time. Can't do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there it is.
That's a big ass one.
Snow angel.
It's so nice, isn't it? Hey, look, it's this high.
Yeah.
Man.
All right, Tika's got the shovel.
My husband said I have to learn how to shovel. So let's go. Oh my God, I'm tired already.
This is zoomed in too much. Start on the upper part because you're start way up high.
Upper first.
It's just gonna drop down onto the next one down. Yeah.
Start at the top.
Yep.
Mom, look what Sean had me doing.
Good job. Good job. One less inch, I got a shovel. Yep. I go like this. That's how I do it. There she goes. Oh, she's got a whole scoop full there.
See what they have me doing in America? Honey, you see that? The snow come down so much since we've been out here.
Oh yeah,
What are you gonna do now? Start up the snowmobile?
I think so. It adds up quick, the snow.
You can't come on.
I gotta make sure it's running. Stay there and idle.
You ready?
You're not gonna try to drive it, right?
No. take anymore. Can't. We're on a mission. We're going to help.
Oh, yeah,
And
good stuff.
yeah,
Good stuff right
we're
there.
going to help these people. That's what we are here for. Yeah?
Yep.
Oh yeah, seems like an accident. We can walk here?
We'll try to help push him out.
Yeah,
If not, I can bring my truck over there and hook up to him.
yeah. Reporting live from northern Michigan. Reporting live.
Gotta help explain what's going on.
Yeah.
Car's
Yeah.
skidded off the road.
Yeah.
Now he's in the ditch in the deep snow.
It's coming out.
Yeah, we're gonna get it.
It can come out.
See,
Oh,
all we
yeah.
had to do was show up.
Good?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Good, all right.
Have-
We saw when you stopped. So we were like, something is wrong.
Yeah, I had the same truck. I live right here. You know. I had these 6.5. That was 98. This is 2000. Yeah. I'm not.